Here with another nature video. I changed my flip flops. We crossed the path. We got some rocks up in here.
Okay, I'm fine. I just stepped down there.
Dumbass. Dumbass. Now that's a stupid word.
Uranus. Get it? Uranus?
Yeah.
I don't know why people called it that.
This sand is
Oh god.
pollute the water. Yeah, go. Wait, no, this is fresh water. We drink this.
Alright, let's go drink. Alright, let's try and drink some of this water on camera. I'm fine. I'm fine. Just don't step right there. Or so. Alright.
Sino gramanya sekalay. Sekalay.
My hand's wet.
Someone jump on these rocks and
Hey,
stay.
come here.
What?
You gotta go back. Come on.
Oh, dude, this would be the perfect place where them little fishies were at.
Nuh-uh. We were all the way over there at that entrance.
Dude, this like water. Like my mom said, it's cold, right? It's relatively not cold.
It's kinda not cold. If I just sit here.
Squeezing the water titties.
What
Oh,
the?
boobies.
Alright, come here.
Ah,
Let's roll, okay? Oh god, I have like a minute left. You know what? I'm in 5 minutes and 9 minutes and 9 seconds. 5 minutes and 9 seconds.
hey, yeah.
Now that's on a thorn plant. Let me get those thorns in my shirt.
Dumb. What face?
Alright, let's go. Come on, Vegas.
Oh, what? Oh,
What?
I'll phase them out there.
Hey, how about we go over there and drink some clean water, actually? On camera!
The cleanest water's over there.
Actually, yeah. Hurry before it's been 5 minutes and 9 seconds!
Alright, guys, I'll see you there. Alright, guys, my phone's wet. Let's go wipe that off a little bit. Look at this symmetric units of water. I'm not.
Flops in the water tank?
Yeah, they're dirty. I don't want my mom to find out I was in the water, so she told me not to.
No, because then they'll be wet. Then you'll find out.
Let the water evaporate. Alright, we're heading back to my house here. I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye!